So you are asked to complete the rest of it on your own. We're just going to check your answers. So first it said to compare the statements using our symbols that we had above. And so to do that, we need to find the absolute value of each one. So the absolute value of 9 is just 9. And the absolute value of -9 is just +9. So these two are equal because 9 equals 9. Then we have the absolute value of 1/2. So this is 1/2, but then the negative is on the outside of the bars. So the negative comes up. And so we keep the negative because it's on the outside. So our answer is -1/2. So is -1/2 bigger than -1/4? The answer is actually no, it's less than. Because if we had a number line, so here's 0, here is -1/4, here is -1/2, this is -3/4, and then this is just -1. So -1/2 is further away from 0 than -1/4. So since -1/4 is only 1/4 the distance from 0, -1/4 is bigger. All right, and then the last one in our try it is asking which one is bigger, 7 or the absolute value of negative and then absolute value of -4.5. So the absolute value of -4.5 is just the +4.5, but we have a negative on the outside of our absolute value bars, so that comes back up. So now we have which one is bigger, 7 or -4.5. So this one, 7 is larger, and I always like to think of it as if you're in debt. So would I rather have $7 or would I rather owe somebody would I rather have $7 or owe somebody $4.50, so $4.50. I would rather have the $7. That one's bigger. All right, so now let's review which of the following are integers. Remember, these are positive or negative numbers, and they're not fractions or decimals. Wow, my handwriting is really rough on here. So the ones that are integers, 9, that's positive and it's not a fraction. This one's a decimal, so this one can't be it. -1, that's not a fraction or decimal, and it's allowed to be negative, so that one's an integer. 1/2 is a fraction. -25/100ths is a decimal, but 15 is a whole number and it's positive. So we have 3 answers to our vocab review. So 9, -1, and 15 are all integers. Last we have which one does not belong. So let's find the answer to both of these, or to all of these. So the absolute value of 6 is just +6. +6 obviously just equals 6. -6 is -6, but the absolute value of -6 is +6 because we always take the positive of what's on the inside of those bars. And so the one that doesn't belong is this one because our answer is negative. So this is this one's negative, and it's the only one that's negative. So that one does not belong.